If you're looking to get the most out of GetResponse funnels and boost your conversions to the max, you're in the right place. But here's the deal, many users don't realize the little tweaks and hacks that can make a massive difference. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, I'll also share some lesser known alternatives that might serve your funnel needs even better than GetResponse. So let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about GetResponse's drag and drop funnel builder. It's one of the reasons people swear by the software, but it's not just about creating pretty pages. The trick is setting up personalized, targeted messages based on where users are in your funnel. If you're not segmenting your audience properly, you're missing out on conversions. Getting specific with your segmentation can push prospects toward buying with the right offer at the right time. Next thing, email automation. This is where GetResponse shines, but a lot of users aren't using the full potential. It's more than just sending an email blast. You need to create a series of emails that nurture your leads, guiding them step by step. The goal here is to deliver value before you even ask for the sale. That way, by the time you do, they're much more likely to say yes. If you're not leveraging this, then you're wasting an opportunity. The third thing you need to pay attention to is your conversion funnels integration with your CRM. Now, while GetResponse does have a built-in CRM, its user interface isn't always the most intuitive, and it can be a challenge for beginners to fully understand how to use it to its maximum potential. If you're looking for deep CRM integration, you might need to tweak some settings to get it to communicate properly with your funnel. GetResponse does the job, but it's a bit more work than some of its competitors. Now, let's talk about split testing. A lot of GetResponse users think they're set by testing just a couple of things, but you should be testing all elements of your funnel: your subject lines, your call to actions, the color of your buttons, and even the length of your emails. Just tweaking these minor details can result in significant increases in conversions. This is one of those things that a lot of marketers overlook but can have a huge impact. Moving on to something GetResponse users often struggle with: optimizing landing pages. While GetResponse offers some nice templates, they're not always optimized for mobile conversions. Make sure you're testing how your funnel looks across devices. If it's not seamless on mobile, you're leaving money on the table. Many users forget that a significant portion of online traffic comes from mobile, and if your pages aren't looking great on those screens, it could hurt your conversions. And here's where it gets interesting. If you're starting to feel like GetResponse is a bit too basic or not powerful enough for your goals, then stick around because I'm about to share some tools that might be better suited for you. They're not just alternatives, they're a game changer if you want top-tier funnel performance. Before we wrap this up, here's the deal. I have an exclusive and extended free trial to GetResponse for you, but that's not all. I also found some other tools that might be a better fit for your needs when it comes to funnel conversions, tools that even offer free trials, so you can try them out risk-free. The links in the description will get you access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits that you can only get through our video. Now, whether you stick with GetResponse or try the alternatives, make sure to put these funnel hacks into action. It's all about fine-tuning your process to maximize those conversions.